CyberMigos, cybersecurity explained simply. A JSON Web Token, or JWT, is a compact token format used to securely transmit information between systems. JWTs are commonly used in authentication systems and APIs to prove a user's identity. A JWT is made up of three parts: the header, the payload, and the signature. These three components are encoded and combined to form the complete token. The header contains information about the token itself. It typically defines the signing algorithm used to secure the token and identifies the token as a JWT. The payload contains the claims. Claims are pieces of information about the user or system, such as the user ID, permissions, or when the token expires. The signature protects the token from being modified. It is created by combining the header and payload with a secret key using a cryptographic algorithm. After a user successfully logs in, the authentication server generates a JWT. This token is then returned to the application. When the application sends a request to an API, it includes the JWT. The server verifies the token's signature to confirm that it has not been altered. If the token is valid and the user has permission, the server allows access to protected resources. The JWT acts as proof of the user's identity and authorization. JWTs allow systems to verify identity securely without storing session information on the server. This makes them ideal for modern web applications, APIs, and distributed systems. In the next CyberMigos episode, we will explain API keys and how applications authenticate to APIs. Subscribe for more cybersecurity explanations and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CyberMigos episode.